The digital era makes it possible for anyone to become a billionaire, including a 12-year-old child. Hi, welcome to the Self-Up. This time, I want to talk about the phenomenon of NFTs or non-fungible tokens. At the end of August 2021, a 12-year-old boy from the UK named Benyamin Ahmed earned $400,000 on the sale of NFTs. Benyamin Ahmed, commonly known as Ben, is not your average 12-year-old. Apart from school, he also enjoys swimming, taekwondo and learning how to write computer code. At the age of 5, Ben started learning about computer programming when he saw his father working as a web developer. Over time, he began to master many things, from HTML to higher program languages such as JavaScript and others. But in early 2021, Ben became interested in the world of NFTs because you can transfer ownership through blockchain technology. He learned this technology through online tutorials and mentors he met in the Discord community. Ben started creating his first NFT collection of 40 colorfully pixelated avatars called Minecraft Yeehaw. He created this collection because he was inspired by Minecraft, so he created the artwork and coded it. In the early days, the collection didn't sell well right away, but it did quite well. Ben sees this project as a learning experience rather than a way to make money. In June 2021, he started coding for his latest NFT collection called Weird Whales. This project contained 3,350 pixelated whales with various characters, such as zombies, aliens, and so on. Unexpectedly, Ben got a huge stroke of luck. The valuation of his NFT rose high and it was sold within the first 9 hours. Not only did he benefit from the initial sale of the NFTs, but as a creator, Ben also received 2.5% royalties every time his work changed ownership. Weird Whales is arguably successful thanks to its unique style, which is a blend of memes in Minecraft and pixel styles like CryptoPunks, one of the first NFT collections available. Ben admits that memes have played a big part in his success. He didn't stop there. This is because when people invest in NFTs sold by Ben, they buy them because of Ben himself. He also had big dreams. No one knew that he could become a technology entrepreneur like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. For those of you who are curious, an NFT is a crypto technology such as a digital certificate that certifies ownership of a digital item. It can take various forms, ranging from photos, images, videos, audio, and so on. Non-fungible means that the item is unique and cannot be replaced by another item. For example, Bitcoin is referred to as fungible. If you exchange one Bitcoin for another, you will get Bitcoin as well. However, NBA basketball cards are non-fungible. If you trade the card, you will get a different card. Interestingly, each NFT can be bought and sold just like a physical asset. But blockchain technology allows us to check the ownership and validity of the NFTs. Although NFTs have been around since 2014, they were not as popular as they are now. Now, an artist no longer needs to rely on galleries or auction houses to sell their work. They can sell them directly to consumers as NFTs. Plus, they also get royalties every time their work is resold. This scheme is very attractive to artists. For example, Beipel, who is known as a crypto artist, sold his work titled Everyday the first 5,000 days for $1 million within the first hour. The value continued to rise until it reached $69 million. The artwork contains 5,000 photos depicting Beipel's journey as an artist over 13 years. Not only artwork, you can sell any digital work. For example, Jack Dorsey, the co-founder and CEO of Twitter, sold his first tweet as an NFT. This tweet contained the words "just setting up my Twitter" in 2006. The tweet sold for $2.9 million. It is important to understand that not all NFT sales will generate millions or even billions of dollars. More than 50% of NFT sales are under $200. You might be wondering why people are willing to buy such expensive digital artworks when they can be enjoyed by others for free. Of course, this is because the technology is able to explain the ownership of the work. Even if it is copied many times, the ownership of the work will not be lost. For example, The Mona Lisa painting is famous because it was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. If someone else paints Mona Lisa, no matter how similar, his work cannot be considered as the original Mona Lisa painting, because the original is the work of Leonardo da Vinci. So, how do you buy NFTs? First, you need to have a digital wallet to store your NFTs or cryptocurrency. If so, then you need to buy a cryptocurrency like Ether as a means of payment. Then, you can start looking for NFTs on large NFT marketplaces, such as OpenSea, IO or Rarible. While these platforms host thousands of NFT creators or collectors, make sure to do your research before you buy. Some artists have fallen victim to copycats who have registered and sold their work without permission. Keep in mind, NFTs are a risky product because their future is uncertain. This is because NFTs are a new product, so if you want to invest by buying NFTs, you may be able to do so with a small amount. But again, understand the risks before buying. There are people who have made millions to billions from selling NFTs. But there are also people who have spent a lot of money but their NFTs are worthless. The value of an NFT depends on how much money other people are willing to pay. Therefore, the price of an NFT is mostly driven by demand, not based on fundamental, technical, or economic indicators like the investment market in general. It's also important to realize that your NFTs may be sold for less or not even resold if no one wants to buy them. What if you're convinced to invest in NFTs? Perhaps simply, you can look at NFTs as digital collectibles. Many investors are familiar with collectibles such as artwork, trading cards, or even classic cars. Often, these assets can generate great investment returns, as many people appreciate in value over time and their valuations tend to be uncorrelated to the rest of the stock market. A high appreciation value is usually made up of two factors: who the maker is, and the rarity of the item. Before investing in any collectible, it is important to understand who created the piece and how many were made. In addition, it is also important to ascertain the authenticity of the item, as the NFT market tends to be unregulated and rife with counterfeits. But then again, the market for antique or rare collectibles, whether digital or not, is highly speculative. For example, a painting that costs $50 and another painting that costs $500,000 is difficult to explain clearly. So, you need to be able to manage your risk before you start investing. The digital era opens up opportunities to make money. When you are observant of opportunities, that's where the door of opportunity will open wide. Please comment in the comments column what lessons you learned when you knew this information. Thank you for being here and supporting Self Up. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and comment with your suggestions for future reviews or topics. Subscribe to stay updated on all things books, motivation, and self-development. Keep aiming higher, and I'll catch you in the next video.